Welcome to ArcTalk, Ep.1, the podcast where we'll discuss all things architecture, innovation, and the people that make solutions architecture what it is. I'm Deanna, I'll be your host, and today I'm joined by our CEO and founder, Frank Massinio.
This is really pretty great, Dave. I'm excited to be here at our first episode. I think it's fantastic that we could come together to celebrate something that's so important to us. Our staff, the employees that work so hard for solutions architecture, it means a lot to be here, especially because today is Employee Appreciation Day. And we want to take a time to celebrate the staff because they do such a great job for us.
Yes, they're very inspiring, very hardworking, very professional, handle everything with ease, even in times when it's not so easy, and go above and beyond every day.
I think that comes from the fact that we've fostered a culture here that it's more like family and it's not just an office. I've never wanted it when we first started the firm to be this corporate culture. And I think it's really cool that we've created something where the staff enjoys being here. They enjoy being with each other. And I think that promotes good work. When you like what you do and you like the place that you work, I think it promotes a really healthy working environment. And I think we've got that here.
And talking about promotion and recognition, you created the Architects of Excellence Award. Tell me more about that.
I think it's pretty cool that we want to celebrate what the staff does. It's one thing to do year-end bonuses, and it's one thing to, do shout outs every now and again, but to create something that is a permanent tribute to the hard work of the staff is the Architects of Excellence Award. We've just built in our foyer a Architects of Excellence wall, which will be that permanent tribute. Everyone's name who wins this award, it's a quarterly recognition, will go up on that wall, and their name will be there for them to see. It also offers inspiration to others in the office to do better, to want to be on the wall. And every awardee will receive the Architects of Excellence Challenge coin.
Cool.
It's a custom coin that it was designed to, celebrate the staff. It sits on their desk as a proud reminder of their achievements. But it's also not just about that. Obviously, we work hard, so we want to play hard. And what we try to do is offer experiential bonuses to our staff who achieve this award. Could be a night out, a dinner, could be a massage or a spa day. These are things that, we've given out in the past because we work hard, we want to relax, we want to chill. So I think it works out really well to have this as a milestone for each person who's achieved it.
Very cool. And tell me more about the award itself. Has anyone received the award yet?
So it's funny you should ask. We have actually nominated 5 people, 4 people last year, and 1 person this first quarter that were rose to the occasion, that went above and beyond for this company. Our very first Architect of Excellence was Shannon Wydell. She really set the bar out of the gate. She worked hard. She was dealing with challenging jobs and really killed it. So she was our first nominee. Second to Shannon was Roshni Cherian. Roshni worked really, really hard to see a good project become really great to the ultimate satisfaction of the client. Then we had Anna Karina. Anna, again, tireless efforts, works really hard for the company. And gives herself as opposed to just punching a clock from 9 to 5. So these are people that we truly celebrate. Next up would be you, Deanna Nucci. From crushing it on social media to the events that we do in this office, including this podcast, we really appreciate what you do for the office. So it's fitting that you would be able to walk away with one of these challenge coins. And lastly, we have Dennis Tekeolu. Dennis is our technical coordinator who's killed it every day working for the project management staff, handling a myriad of spreadsheets and project details and making sure that everything runs smoothly. So a big fitting tribute to each of you who have done such an exceptional job and deserve being up on that wall. So we're grateful for that.
Cool. And seeing your name on the wall sets the bar. It really is like a goal to achieve to. When you walk past it in the office and you can say, I want to be there, I want to achieve that too. And it really is a cool way of recognition. And speaking of recognition, it's also Employee Appreciation Day. We just celebrated with a luncheon from our favorite spot, Lunello's, of course. So thank you for that.
Oh, it was a great day, and it's one thing to order up a dozen pizzas, but it's another thing to have a nice meal from a really fantastic restaurant. You guys deserve it. You've worked really, really hard, and you continue to work hard every day. So, just a little way to say thank you for everybody. You guys are awesome. We love you.
Couldn't have said it better myself. And to all our listeners, we wouldn't be where we are today without you as well. So thank you to our listeners, our clients, and our friends.
And to our staff, we know that at the end of the day, solutions architecture isn't just about the work we do, it's about the culture we've built. We know that you guys spend a great deal of time together. We're proud of the work that you've done, and we hope that you understand how much we value and appreciate each and every one of you.